the freak? What's going on, guys? Simnip here. Guys, I know I've been gone for freaking 2 months. 2 months, okay? Because I do have an explanation, and basically this whole video is gonna explain why. Guys, this is gonna be a very big moment in this channel, as in this freaking package right here. You're gonna see why. Guys, you have no idea how excited, bro. How excited I am, bro. I can't even say the freaking word properly. But yeah, guys, I have freaking brought a freaking new laptop, guys. If you haven't figured out already. And yeah, guys, I'm pretty dead broke right now after spending majority of my money on this right here. So, you know, if you guys could smash that like button, gonna be freaking helpful to the channel. So yeah, but anyway, guys, you guys probably be like, yo, Simnip, shut the freak up and open your freaking package. Show us the freaking laptop. Guys, I'm going. I literally went to order this laptop at the shop yesterday. And yeah, I asked them if they could deliver it. And yeah, they said they could for free. Okay, guys, so I have to spend an additional amount of money to get this delivered here to my house. Okay, this is the charger right here. Before we take out the laptop, we'll take out the charger. Oh boy. Alright, okay, IDK, what kind of charger this is? It's pretty big, look like a freaking power bank. And guys, honestly, like, this is a big up, because, like, the whole laptop I've been using the whole time, guys, not even PC, guys, it's a freaking laptop, I'm a broke boy. But yeah, the whole freaking time, I've actually been using a freaking laptop that isn't even a gaming laptop, guys, okay? Doesn't have a dedicated graphics card. I'm pretty sure it had like a sort-in graphics card, Intel graphics card, I think. You guys could feel me when I try to record any video games. Like, if you guys go all the way back and look at the games that I played, or some games, like horror games, yeah, my laptop, bruh, it was struggling. Okay, it was struggling to freaking run the games, but hey, I still continue to film the video and edit the video, guys. So, you know, with this laptop right here, guys, I can potentially freaking actually edit videos without like any difficulties, hopefully, because it's a gaming laptop. So yeah, but yeah, okay, you know what, Simnip, shut the freak up and actually get the freaking laptop out. Okay, here's the freaking laptop, the freaking menus, I guess. Let's actually take it out right now. Oh my god, guys, you have no idea, okay, guys, how freaking excited am I right now by even touching this. I don't want to touch it. But yeah, guys, this is actually my first time, if I haven't said it already, my first gaming laptop. What the freak say first time? But yeah, first gaming laptop in my whole entire life. Basically, guys, you can just see right now, I got a freaking Lenovo lock. My camera can focus, yes. So guys, a freaking Lenovo lock. Honestly, first touch of the laptop, oh my god, guys, I feel like the quality is pretty good. Hey, look at that. Yo, there's fans, exhausted fans, man. Okay, HDMI cord, I don't think the charger goes here, I don't know. Wait, there is some. Oh wait, the charger's right here. Okay. Alright, let me just put this slowly down. I don't want to break this laptop, okay, not gonna lie. Also, guys, if you haven't already smashed that like button, guys, what the frick are you doing? But yeah, let's open up this bad boy. Oh, one-handed, bro. No freaking way, guys. Guys, bro, I don't know, man. I've been watching so much freaking tech videos, like, well, like, you know, seeing which laptop to actually buy. Guys, bro, all YouTubers be like, you gotta try this. You gotta try the freaking test. One-handed test, bruh. Everything's good. Everything's freaking good. Okay, the screen is maybe a little wobbly, not gonna lie, but hey, it passed the freaking one-hand open test. And we got Lenovo. Congratulations on your recent Lenovo purchase. Whoa! Brand new investment with Lenovo services. I freaking will, because I paid a freaking $200 membership. You can get this off right here. Woo! Oh my god, guys. Yo! This freaking epic, not gonna freaking like this. What the frick? Okay, let me just tilt this down right here. Okay, guys, I'm not professional. Okay, I'm trying to freaking get this thing up here. But yeah, all right. I think that should be tilted a little bit. You can see my freaking pink shirt. But yeah, let's actually turn this on. This bad boy on. Oh, there's a freaking sticker right over there. I don't think you guys can see it. Zoom in, I think. I don't know. But let's freaking turn it on. I'm pretty sure the person said to plug it into the charger. I don't know why. But actually, you know what? I'm gonna listen to the person. Let's actually do it. Oh, okay. There is light. There is thunder. Okay, I think the only reason the person told me to actually, you know, plug it on is because there's probably no back. Because it is red. Like, you guys didn't see earlier. It is red. Yeah, let's turn it on right now. Oh, oh, oh my god. Freaking RGB lights. Wait, actually not RGB, but like, yeah. Freaking Lenovo, bro, guys. Oh my god. Okay, hopefully the audio is not that bad. And guys, honestly, I'm probably gonna start editing videos straight away. Like, especially this video. And a bunch of other videos that I haven't been able to freaking, edit. Cause, guys, my laptop screen, okay, honestly, guys, I haven't even said anything about my older laptop, why it doesn't work, what's the problem. But yeah, basically, the only problem is that I have a screen issue again. Okay, yeah, this is not the first time that the older laptop has a screen issue that I'm facing right now. And I did spend a lot of money on the previous repair, like upgrading the SSD, the HHD or HDD hard drive to a SSD to make it quick, which is, guys, it basically did the job. But the screen had no problem. My older laptop is facing a screen issue now, and I just didn't feel like it was worth getting repaired again, because guys, it's probably gonna cost me, not gonna lie, $100 over. And I was like, you know what, I've been saving money so consistently that I thought, you know what, I think it's time for me to actually get a freaking proper gaming laptop. Like, literally, you're gonna be doing this YouTube thing, you might as well go full on right now. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a freaking actual gaming laptop. But the only problem is, guys, is that any freaking gaming laptop is extremely expensive. And yeah, I'm a broke man, so there was no freaking way I could instantly get a freaking laptop.